Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this lecture, we are going to solve 10th numerical related to second order control system. We have already solved 9 numericals related to second order control system. So the question is, for the closed loop control system shown, the system to have damping ratio zeta is equal to 0.7. Determine the value of k to satisfy this condition and calculate the value of setting time, peak time and maximum overshoot MP for K determined. So this is the control system given. For this system, the forward part transfer function GS is equal to K divided by S into S plus 6 and feedback part transfer function HS is equal to 0.2 is given. For such type of system, the closed loop transfer function CS by RS is equal to GS divided by 1 plus GS into HS. Now we put the value of GSHS here. We'll get CS by RS is equal to K divided by S into S plus 6 divided by 1 plus K divided by S into S plus 6 into zero point 0.2. When we solve this, we will get K divided by S square plus 6S plus zero point 0.2 K. Now here we can see that this equation is not in the form of standard equation of closed loop transfer function of second order control system. So to convert it in standard form, we multiply and divide this equation with zero point 0.2. Then this will be equal to 1 upon zero point 0.2 whole multiplied by 0.2k divided by s square plus 6s plus 0.2k. Now this equation which is in the bracket is in the form of standard equation of closed loop transfer function of second order control system. Now let this equation be equation number 1. Now we know that the standard equation of closed loop transfer function of second order control system is Cs by Rs is equal to omega n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. Let this be equation number 2. Now we compare equation number 1 and 2 to find out omega n value and zeta value. From both the equations, omega n square will be 0.2k. From this equation, omega n will be equal to under root 0.2k we will get. Let this be equation number A. And again we get 2 zeta omega n will be equal to 6. From this equation, zeta will be equal to 3 divided by omega n. Now we put the value of omega n here from equation number A. Then zeta will be equal to 3 divided by under root 0.2k. Now we square both sides, will get zeta square is equal to 9 divided by 0.2 k. The damping ratio zeta is equal to 0.7 is given. When we put the value of zeta, we'll get 0.7 square is equal to 9 divided by 0.2 k. From here we'll get k is equal to 9 divided by 0.2 into 0.49. When we solve this, we will get k is equal to 91.8367. So this is the required value of k we are getting. Now with the value of k we will determine omega n. Omega n is equal to 0.2k from equation number A. We'll put the value of k here, we'll get 0.2 into 91.8367. When we solve this, we will get omega n is equal to 4.2857 radian per second. From this equation, we can find out damped frequency of oscillation omega d, which is equal to omega n into under root 1 minus zeta square. I will put the value of omega and zeta here. Then we'll get 4.2857 into under root 1 minus 0.7 square. When we solve this, we get omega d is equal to 3.0606 radian per seconds. Okay, so first we will find out setting time Ts. Ts is equal to 4 upon zeta omega n on 2% tolerance basis. When we put the values, we will get 4 divided by 0.7 into 4.2857. When we solve this, we will get setting time is equal to 1.33 seconds. Now we will find out the peak time Tp. Tp is equal to pi upon omega d. When we put the values, we will get pi divided by 3.0606. When we solve this, peak time will be equal to 1.0265 seconds. So this is the value of peak time we are getting. Now we are going to find out maximum overshoot or peak overshoot MP. The formula for peak overshoot is e to the power minus zeta pi divided by under root 1 minus zeta square. When we want to find out this peak overshoot in percentage, then this formula will be equal to e to the power minus zeta pi divided by under root 1 minus zeta square into 100. Now we put the value of zeta here, we'll get it to the power minus 0.7 pi divided by under root 1 minus 0.7 square into 100. When we solve this, percentage maximum overshoot MP will be equal to 4.5988 percentage. So these are the values of parameters we are getting. The required value of K is equal to 91.8367 and the required value of setting time is 1.33 second, peak time is equal to 1.0265 seconds, and percentage maximum overshoot MP is equal to 4.5988 percentage. We found out all the values correct to 4 decimal places. So hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.